Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I have another unboxing. This machine here has come from fellow collector in Ireland, Tom, also known as Tom Vacuum on YouTube and Instagram, etc, etc. He picked this one up from some kind of house clearance place. Didn't really want it, so I swapped him a HVC for it. Pretty nice HVC actually. My old one, before I got the pretty mint 84 one I have now. But yeah, it's a commercial upright, one I've been actually after for a little while. So yeah, let's get it out of the box. So here we've got the quite long cable actually. I don't know whether that's original or not. So yeah, we've got the dust bag for it here, which is the original one. Does need a wash, a bit faded, but oh well. How to empty the dust bag. I think that's a shakeout bag as well. And as he said, the bag, oh no, that's come off alright. Yeah, I think he's cleaned that out for us, so cheers for that, Tom. So yeah, we've got the bag in pretty good condition, shakeout bag, but you know, is what it is. We've got one part of the handle with one in it. Yeah, that's quite nice. And then we've got the second part of the handle, top piece here, and yeah, with a hand grip on it, which is in nice condition. And then we've got the main hood of the machine itself here, which is not too bad condition either. So let's just move all the bubble wrap out of the way and have a look at my new Electrolux C12 commercial upright. And there's some more kind of parts here. So that's that. There you go, cold hooks. You would be stuffed without those. So yeah, we've got the cord hooks as well, which I have no clue how they fit on. Anyway, we've got the on-off switch on the back here, and yes, it scraped a little bit on the hood, but I mean, it's not too bad really. Yeah, quite happy with this. Underneath, we've got the agitator, and the bristles are actually fine really. They stick fine out of the agitator. He said they were quite short, but they'll be sweet as really. And yeah, I'm quite pleased with this one. So we'll have to see how the handle fits in. So I've got some little toolkit here I keep in my room. So all my main tools are in the shed. So yeah, let's see how this goes together, because I have no clue. Alright, so this is definitely the lower handle piece here. So that should just slot in there. And I'm guessing, where's my scissors up there? That there's some kind of cable holder that potentially goes in here, maybe. I really don't know. I don't know how the hell this goes. I think, does that go on there? I've got no clue, to be honest. Yeah, the cable goes in there somehow, and this, I've got no clue how this works. I don't want to break these either, you know. But yeah, this should go in here somehow, unless these, I think these hooks go on the actual horse name itself. Yeah, hang on. Okay, so I think I figured this out. So these actually go on the handle itself. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, so let's just put this handle in. I think this something should slot in the back here, but I'm not too sure what really. Yeah, do that. Oh, yeah, that's loose. That should have something in there, I think. That should definitely have something in there with that. Yeah, hang on, I've got it the wrong way, that's why. This is going to take me forever to do, because I've never actually seen one of these before. So I have no clue how they go together. I mean, that's still loose. Okay, right. It is what it is. I don't know where this goes. That must go in one of these cable doobies, I reckon. Somewhere. I'll figure it out somehow. That definitely don't go in there. That doesn't really fit in there like that. So yeah, the cable thingies somehow, I think, meant to go on here. Yeah, hang on, that's it. So cable goes in there, okay, like that, and then I think, yeah, they go definitely in here like that. I think, yep, that's it. So there's one in there, and then this somehow goes up here and goes in here. That's it, that goes on there, and then this bolt goes through here. I'll tell you what, I'll just pause the video until I've got the machine built up, and then we'll be back. So as you can see, the machine's now fully built up. I'm not too keen on the way these clips go in. Yeah, they just seem really flimsy, especially this top one. It's got a lot of pressure on it. I mean, it's got the bag spring on there, and it's also got this cable on it, so I mean, yeah, and it's got a crack in it as well. So I'm not too keen on the clips. Well, I reckon they should have done the kind of thing Hoover done with the riveted on clips on the side. But anyway, we're going to turn it on quick. It doesn't run too healthily at the minute, I don't think. I think it's been sitting for a few years. So yeah, I'm not going to run it for long, plus the suppressor issues as well. But anyway, so we'll plug it in quick, and here we go. Yeah, it's not too bad. A bit dry, so to speak. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I wanted one of these for a little while, I'd say. I don't know how to wrap this cable up. I don't know what would be the best way. Probably wrap it like that. So yeah, it's just a dirty old vacuum, really, that needs a proper good clean. But yeah, there we go. There is my new Electrolux C12. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.